Hello, this is Peter Shaw from Omnitronics, and this video will look at the audio setup in RediTALK-Flex. RediTALK-Flex interfaces with the audio devices on the host PC so that you can listen to received audio from the gateways and talk to the gateways. Before starting RediTALK-Flex, make sure that you have already connected your audio devices to the host computer. Now I'm going to use a Plantronics USB headset for operation when I'm at the console and a set of Logitech USB speakers when I'm away from the console position but still need to hear any incoming calls. Okay, once you have logged into RediTALK-Flex, you will find the audio setup down here in Setup and then into Audio Options. There's a number of settings here which I will now explain. By the way, if you find these options hidden, just click on the arrow to expose the options, like so. Now the first one shown is microphone gain. I will come back to this one once I've chosen the audio interfaces. Next is audio mute. And you would enable this if you don't want to listen to any received audio while you are talking to the gateway. If you have a full duplex type of gateway where you can talk and listen simultaneously, then you would disable this mute function. You would also disable it when you still want to hear other gateways while talking on another gateway. Be aware that if you are using external speakers, you may get feedback if the gateway loops your spoken audio back to RediTALK-Flex when the mute is disabled. I'm going to keep mine muted. Next is audio devices. This is where you assign audio devices in the host PC to the receive and transmit audio paths. If you click on Input Device, a blue rectangle appears adjacent to the input devices. The input device is the audio interface that sends audio to the radio gateway when you press the PTT button. Now you can see there's quite a few options here. I have previously connected a Plantronics headset to my PC and I'm going to choose it for my microphone audio. Here it is here, microphone to Plantronics audio. Next, click on the output device to select the main output audio interface for listening to received calls. I'm going to use the headphones in my Plantronics headset, so I choose speakers to Plantronics audio. There we go, up there. You can also have a secondary output device for listening to received calls. Typically this will be a pair of speakers if your primary device is a headset. To use the extra output, enable the output buttons. Down here, enable like so. Then click on secondary output device and choose the interface. I have some USB speakers connected to my PC and I choose these. Here they are, speakers, Logitech USB speaker. To save the changes, click on Apply. You will see the headset speaker icon appear up here on the header panel. Use this control to switch between the primary and secondary output devices. If I click on the headset symbol, I will get the received audio on my Plantronics headphones, and if I click on the speaker symbol, I will hear the received audio on my USB speakers. Back to the setup. Down here we have the audio output mixing control. This lets you play out foreground or selected audio and background or monitored audio to one or both speakers in a stereo setup. Most audio interfaces are two-channel, and this control allows you to switch foreground audio to left and right, or left only or right only outputs, and the same for the background audio. I'm going to set my foreground to the left speaker or left channel only, and my background audio to the right channel. And now to the microphone gain back up the top here. This control will set the microphone level sent to the radio gateway. You can adjust it from 0 all the way up to 100. You can use the microphone level meter to check the transmitted level. Now you should set the gain control so that the meter is just nudging the yellow section when you're talking. Now any gain adjustment does not happen until you press the PTT button. If you change the gain setting and you want to check it, then apply, close that down, Make sure that none of your talk paths are in the foreground, so if I can just turn them off, then you can click on PTT, talk into your microphone and check the level on the microphone meter here. That completes the audio setup. Remember to have your audio devices already connected to the host PC before you start RediTALK-Flex. Also, while RediTALK-Flex is running, don't unplug the audio devices from the PC. If you do, RediTALK-Flex will automatically connect with default devices. Plugging your device back in may not reconnect your original device, in which case you will need to restart RediTALK-Flex to resume normal operation. And remember, if you have any further inquiries about products from Omnitronics, you can always contact us on email at sales@omnitronics.com.au.